Hi friends, since it is Earth Day, I thought it'd be a fun activity if we can do a nature collage. So, what Miss Cassandra did was she went outside and she got some of Earth's good treasures. I got some leaves, some sticks, some flowers, some soil, some acorns. I got a few things, and I want you guys to be able to go outside and do the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a collage. All you need is paper and glue. So I thought of using the color green paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my nature collage. So you can do it however you want. So I'm going to get some glue. And I'm going to glue it down. Now you guys can be creative and make patterns. You can do whatever you want. Now I'm getting my flowers. And I'm going to glue my flowers down. Then I'm going to glue some more leaves down. Thought this was a cool leaf. I'm sure you'll find all different color leaves outside. Now this is a fun activity to do with mommy and daddy. You can go outside and see what things you can find to make a collage. I'm sure you can find all kinds of good things. Now I got some grass. I'm going to glue some grass on there. Then I'm going to glue another leaf. Now you can do it however you want. Now I'm going to get some dirt, and I'm going to sprinkle dirt in different little places. Now this leaf is not wanting to stick. Sometimes you got to put a lot of glue. Alright, now I'm going to sprinkle my dirt different places. And you can fill up your page, or you can just add just a little bit, as long as you add a variety of things to make a collage. Alright, now I don't think I'm going to use all of the stuff that I collected, but I used a few. So here is Miss Cassandra's nature collage. I hope you guys have fun doing one. Bye.